Hello everyone. I'm going to be unboxing an Aftershokz Trekz Air wireless bone conduction headphones. So this is something that I've been wanting to try for a long time. It's a headset that basically doesn't cover your ear, or doesn't even go inside your ear. It just stays outside, and it touches your face, and then it vibrates the bone, and you'll be able to hear the sound through the conductivity of the sound wave through your bone or your cheek, I guess. Okay, so just want to give you the overall look here of the box. There you go. And there's something that I noticed that is kind of strange, is this, there's something seems to be sticking out. I'm not sure if that's meant to be like that, but it seems to be out of place. Alright, so let's cut it open. Let's see what is the best thing to do to cut it open. Looks like it's all around. Strange packaging. So we just cut it here and here and here, and then cut it down here, cut it down here. Oops, try to skip over that. I don't know what that is. And see if we can just peel it back over the hanging tab. And does it come off? Okay, it's not coming off. What's going on? Oh, okay, I see what's going on. So it opens like a book. Like, yeah. Okay, there you go. It's magnetic on this side. So I did not know that. All right, so that's pretty cool. The box is magnetic, and it has this sporty theme to it. I guess this is meant to be for athletes. That's what it's targeted for. That's why the theme is always somebody running, somebody sweating, things like that. Anyhow, so let's get it out of here. Get the, okay, maybe not like that. Okay, this is a pretty tough packaging to open. Okay, well, I guess you have to force it out. Yeah, definitely not frustration free. Okay, I see. So there's a little seal here. It's almost invisible. You can barely see it, but when I was trying to pry it off, I noticed that that's what was holding it down. Okay, and you have now access to this thing. It's interesting how it overlaps like that. Very interesting packaging. And then let's see what's inside here. Accessories, something soft in here. I think it's a bag. Okay, let's put that aside. It has a serial number and a warranty card. And inside here, it's like a little cardboard pouch. And inside there, there's another pouch. This is made of some kind of rubbery, smooth finish. Very slippery. Similar to like when you go scuba diving, this is what your suit feels like. Okay, so there's some kind of accessories in here. I'm trying to open it without ripping the bag. Okay, got it open. What is this? Earplugs? I think these are earplugs. Why did they give us earplugs? Ah, interesting. I think this is to make a point. Like, you can cover your ear and you can still hear the sound. I think that's what they're trying to make a point of. Well, this is a USB cable and is a micro USB to, sorry about that, micro USB to regular USB plug. And then we have manuals, user guide. So user guide number 1. Oh, I hate these fold out things, because once you fold it out and actually try to use it, you can't fold it back properly. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it like this. You guys got the idea. It's just a fold out manual. I like the way that Apple does theirs better. It's not these nasty, crazy, huge paper fold out. It's just a regular book, something that's usable. This is for storage and maintenance. Pretty typical stuff. And it comes in, of course, 50 different languages. And the only one that I care about is English, of course. That is that. So I don't think that came in anything, so I'm gonna put it back into the pouch here. So you got the manual, cables. Let me open it so that I can show you how long the cables are that comes with it. Come on, come on. Okay. Looks like it's pretty short, probably like 1.5 feet at the most. Okay, so it is about 2 feet, I think. Let me get a measuring tape here. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna measure from 12 inches right here. Let me show you, 12 inches to here is approximately about 12 inches to 24. Yep. So this is 2 foot worth of USB cable. Okay, next, see what else we have here. Okay, all right, let me just put this back later. That's over there. All right, let's start playing with the headset. Okay, put that there. Put the earplugs there. Okay, let's see how we should remove these. Okay, I see that they're held by these tapes, and they're transparent, so it's hard to see. But I think this is how you would remove them without damaging the without ripping them open or tearing them open. But you know what? This is too much work. Let's see if I can get it open pretty easily. If not, then we'll just rip it open. Yeah, they're pretty hard because I think they go all the way in. Okay, well, actually not that bad. So I'll just continue taking off the tape. Sorry guys, almost there. All right, so we got them off, and of course they are all over the headset, and I have to remove them one by one. There you go, they're off, and here is the headset. Okay, feels kind of you know, that rubbery texture, but very smooth, and it's pretty light. So I have this scale here, kitchen scale, and I'm gonna turn it on. It's right now set to pound. So is 1 pound 1 ounce, I guess. Wow, pretty heavy. 1 pound and 1 ounce. I didn't expect it to be over 1 pound. Yep, £1 and an ounce. Wow. All right. So, whoops. Reset that. £1, 1 ounce. Okay. Oops. Let me reset that again. Sorry. Okay. Now let's just change that to gram. Is 30 gram. Wow. Okay, so it's 1.1. I mean, £1, 1 ounce, or 30 gram. Okay, so let's look at this a little bit closer to see what buttons we have. So I guess you would wear it like this. I'm trying to see if there's an orientation. No, there's not. No, there's not. Okay, but this side is the left side. It has this button. I'm not sure what it does, but I'm just pointing out that there's some button there. And the speaker, or I guess a speaker and microphone together, is all here at the end, as you may guess. And there are buttons here at the bottom. I guess this is going to be at the bottom of your right ear, at the back of your right ear. There are, this is the USB micro USB plug to charge the headset, and this is a plus and minus button. So you basically have 3 buttons. There's a plus minus button here, and then there's this button here. That's it. I'm going to be using an iPhone to review this, not in this video, in a next video, and I'm already wondering if Siri can be activated by just pressing this button, hopefully. Okay, well, that's it. This concludes this video of the unboxing. You saw everything that's included, and I'm gonna be testing this and creating more videos with this particular headset. If you are interested, please subscribe to my video, and if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and it will help me out. I will also put a link to the Amazon page or link where you can purchase this, and please use my link if you do decide to purchase this headset. It will help me out. I get a little bit of kickback out of it, and I would appreciate it. Once again, thank you for watching, and have a good day.